Hey there, little explorers! Get ready for amazing adventures, a journey through land, air, and water transportation. Today, we'll dive into the exciting world of different modes of transportation that make our world an incredible place to explore. Buckle up, set sail, and let's roll into a world of magical journeys. Air transportation. Up in the sky, we have the enchanting world of air transportation. These vehicles are like magical birds that can soar high above the clouds. Let's meet some of our high-flying friends. 1. Airplane. Wow, the airplane. Imagine a big metal bird with powerful engines that zoom through the sky. It can take you to faraway places and even above the clouds. Fasten your seatbelts as we join Zoomer the Sky Soarer on a thrilling journey. 2. Hot air balloon. Now, picture a giant, colorful balloon gently lifting you off the ground. That's a hot air balloon. It floats peacefully, providing a calm and serene ride. Join Sunny the Sky Explorer as we soar above landscapes and enjoy the beauty of the world from up high. 3. Helicopter. Helicopters are like magical dragonflies in the sky. They can hover, go up and down, and even fly backward. Whirly the Sky Whiz is our friendly helicopter, ready to give us a unique perspective on the world below. 4. Glider. Gliders are like sleek, graceful birds soaring without engines. Glide through the air with Glimmer the gliding glider, experiencing the joy of a smooth, quiet flight. 5. Zeppelin. Meet Zephyr the Zippy Zeppelin, a slow-flying balloon with a rigid structure. Zeppelins provide a leisurely journey, allowing you to enjoy the scenery while floating through the sky. Water transportation. Now let's make a splash as we explore the exciting world of water transportation. These vehicles are like magical boats that can glide across rivers, lakes, and oceans. Ready to set sail? 1. Boat. Boats are like floating playgrounds on the water. Sailor the Sea Explorer takes us on calm journeys, navigating through lakes, rivers, and even the vast ocean. 2. Canoe. Hop into Coral the colorful canoe. Canoes are slim boats that you paddle, perfect for exploring quiet rivers and hidden coves. 3. Speedboat. VROOM. Splash. Speedboats like Splash, the speedy speedboat, zoom across the water, creating playful waves and offering speedy adventures.